Problem 55 asks us to simplify this fraction. The same rule applies. You cannot leave a square root in the bottom of the fraction, but since this denominator fraction has two terms, you have to multiply top and bottom by the conjugate. And the conjugate simply is the same terms, opposite signs. Since this is a minus, we're going to have a plus top and bottom. If this was a plus, for example, then this would be a minus. Now we have to FOIL each of these terms, first, outer, inner, last. So 3 times 1 gives us 3. Our outer 3 times radical 3 becomes plus 3 radical 3. Our inner is 8 radical 3 times 1 becomes plus 8 radical 3. And then our last is 8 radical 3 times radical 3 becomes 8 radical 9. All over. Same thing on the bottom. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times radical 3 plus radical 3. Negative radical 3 times 1 becomes minus radical 3. And negative radical 3 times radical 3 becomes minus radical 9. Now we have to simplify our fraction. So the square root of 9 is 3. 3 times 8 gives us 24. Square root of 9 is 3 once again. On the bottom, a plus radical 3 and a minus radical 3, those simply cancel each other out. So now we can do 3 plus 24, and we get 27. And then 3 radical 3 plus 8 radical 3 becomes plus 11 radical 3 over 1 minus 3 is negative 2. So your final answer for number 55 is 27 plus 11 radical 3 over negative 2.